Hey guys, today I have received my Luxury Diva accessory box. For those who are not familiar, this is a monthly subscription for fashion and style for women. It does have a variety of 5 to 6 products, which can include apparel, scarves, gloves, hats, socks, hosiery, handbags, wallets, sunglasses, jewelry, cosmetics, and home goods. It retails for $35 per month, but if you do sign up for a 3, 6, or 12-month term, you pay monthly at only $30 per month. It is valued at over $100 in every box, and my box here says it is retailed at $116. So let's get in it and see what I received. The pink ribbon is for Breast Cancer Awareness Month to honor the survivors. The first item that I'm pulling out is the pocket calendar, and I'm actually really happy with that. I need a new pocket calendar for my purse, so pretty cool. And it's got a little breast cancer awareness ribbon on it as well, so I'll definitely use that. Goes all the way through 2022. All right, so the next item I'm pulling out is a Collagen and Coenzyme Q10 eye mask for moisturizing, firming, and tightening. And it contains aloe vera, collagen, and coenzyme Q10 extract. And this right here is just one pair with 2 masks. It has a hydrating and cooling effect, and it will improve dark circles and wrinkles and puffiness. It fits most eye shapes. Okay, so the next item is jewelry. So we have some silver leaf earrings. Sorry, I'm hiccuping. And I don't wear jewelry. So I'm disappointed when they put jewelry in my boxes. And this is what the backs look like. It looks pretty cheap. But yeah, so I got the silver leaf earrings. Okay, so the next item is a little box here. So let's see what's inside. Okay, it's a bracelet. So this is, excuse me, I'm hiccuping. 4 strands with beads. So we have the black bead and some silver and then some white, a little bit of, let me get it on my wrist. Little pastel colors, I guess, on the one. So yeah, I don't wear jewelry, but you know, someone might really like that, so I'm not sure what I will do with that yet. Okay, and the next looks like a little bag of Halloween treats. You had to do that, didn't you, Luxury Diva? Look at that. Oh heavens. Okay, so we got a lollipop, some Kit Kat, Whoppers, Twizzlers, some Reese's, excuse me, Rolo. Yeah, that's a good variety, some good candy. All right, so the next one looks like a eyeshadow palette. So let's open that up and see what this looks like. Made by Trend Beauty. Is that like Trend Mood, or is that something totally different? It doesn't really matter. So beautiful. Oh, look at those shades. Now that is a pretty palette. Oh, I love that. So they got the creamy colors and some burgundies, some mattes and some shimmers, some pinks, some browns. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It's going to be hard for me to put this one in a giveaway. It probably still will end up in a giveaway because I just have too many and I don't want to waste it. But yeah, that's a really pretty one. That I like. Okay, so on to the last item. I can see it's an item of clothing. So let me get out of this bag here. The company is JODIFL. Not familiar with that. But it's actually a black dress, and it's a size 1X, so it's too big. So for people who are familiar with Luxury Diva, can I exchange this? Can I turn this dress in and get a different piece of clothing that I can actually wear? As that is just absolutely too big. So alrighty. So those are my items in my Luxury Diva box. The black dress is $38. The beaded bracelet's $24. The Coenzyme, it says it's a 3-pack of eye mask. I'm confused. I thought it said that it was a 1-pack, but it retails for $16. And then the earrings retail for $18. And then the eyeshadow palette retails for $20. So I watch all the advertisement on what could be in these luxury Diva boxes every month. And then I open this box and get this, and I have to say I am a little disappointed. I mean, it is just $30, and you do get, six items. So I guess I just, I don't wear jewelry, so I'm not happy with that. The eyeshadow palette is nice. That's definitely worth the $20. I think if I would have liked the piece of clothing, then I would have said, you know what, $30 is not a bad price, but I'm not happy with that either. So we'll see how that goes to try and do a return. But anyway, guys, did you think it was a nice box, a lousy box, so-so? Let me know in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.